Hi, I'm Natalie from Trafford Fireplaces in Carlisle, and I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in your NuFlame gas fire remote control. Okay, so if when you try and switch your fire on using your remote control like this, that red light doesn't flash, your batteries are probably flat. So if that's the case, you're going to need to change your batteries. How we do this is, first of all, we turn the remote control over and we remove this cover here. Like so. And in it, you will see it has a 9-volt battery, which you can just unclip like this, take it away and put your new battery in. Now, we would always recommend using Duracell batteries for your gas fire because the cheap batteries aren't powerful enough and won't work in your remote control. So always use high quality batteries. And that's how you change the batteries in your NuFlame gas fire remote control.